Wow. Wow. Alright, 12 to 4 p.m. I called the bike shop here, but they're not here. They either they cannot fix the radiator, so I'm gonna go to next town non-stop. I'm gonna go to next town, and well, I'm actually eating potatoes right now. Only potatoes because we only have the snacks. But yeah, it's like 15-20 k's to the next town cars. Alright, some lucky ships. Wow, this is just what you're seeing on the TV screen, isn't it? My friends, my billionaire friends once said they are downhills. Once they are downhills, they are definitely uphills. Yeah, that makes sense. But he apparently hates uphill, so he brought a e-bike. And well, seems I'm gonna hit uphill too because I brought a Recumbent trike. I had to power this stuff up and down, and this road is just so straight. But it's fluctuating. You can see it. It's up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. But the scenery. So Fairlight Town. Here we are, Fairlight Town. Alright, I'm still here. Just got my battery charged with my solar panel. And I think that should hold on. I think. And my battery is working. It's charging. Get some juice into it. It's shining. It's blinking. So what I'm gonna next? You guess what? Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, turn it on accidentally. Yeah, I'm gonna because this is a river. Yeah, right. So this is the spot that I found here. ppm is 12. The pH level is 7.5. 煮点土豆吃吃。反正前面也是村子，村子前面也是村子，不如待在这煮点土豆吃吃。好久没吃到熟的土豆。